Hey, hi, namaste. This is Aarti. Today I've come with Karele ki sabji or bitter gourd sabji. Yeah, I know most of us hate Karela, especially the kids. We do not like the bitterness of the Karela, but we also know the health benefits of Karela. So let's make the sabji today and try it and see. I bet most of you would really love this sabji. Let's start off by slicing the Karelas and removing the seeds. But if you are like me who like the seeds, crispiness of the seeds, once it is fried, you can keep the seeds intact. Now take the cut Karelas in one bowl and keep it aside. I've taken one onion over here, slice the onions, and I've also taken 2 green chilies here, but the green chilies are optional. In case you do not eat too much spicy food, you can avoid the green chilies. In case you do not like the bitterness of the Karela, there is one tip to avoid the bitterness, and that is soak the Karela in salt water and keep it aside for some time and wash it thoroughly before using it. Now take a frying pan, add little oil and shallow fry the Karelas. Add some salt to it. Now fry the Karelas till it is golden brown in color. Once it is done, remove the Karelas onto a kitchen paper. This helps in absorbing extra oil. Now fry the rest of the Karelas the same way. Once the Karelas are done, add onions and green chilies to the same oil. Now cook the onions till it is translucent. You need not brown the onions like you have done with the Karelas. You just need the onions to be translucent. A little bit sweetness of the onions against the bitterness of the Karelas is going to give an amazing taste. Now add a little bit salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Now mix everything well and let it cook for some time. The masala needs to be cooked well so that the rawness of the masala goes. Once it is done, add the fried Karelas into the onion and masala mixture. Mix it well. The cooking is almost done, but there is one final covering and cooking left, so that once you cover the pan and cook, the entire flavors will come together. Cook it for 2 minutes after covering it. Garnish with curry patta and serve it hot with chapatis, or you can even have this with rice or pulao. It's up to you. Thank you for watching.